How to back up Google Keep Notes. So if you want to back up Google Keep Notes, then what you need to do is first open up your Google Keep Notes application. So open up the application. So once you open your notes, now you need to simply tap and hold on to that note. And once you hold on to that note here, you will have a bunch of options on the upper right. Tap on the three dots and you need to go for copy to Google Docs. Once you've choose, now you have copied that to your Google Docs, right? Now tap on open and once you open the note from your Google document, now you need to go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and here you will have available offline option. Tap on available offline and now the file is available offline. So that's how you can back up your Google Keep Notes. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.